Mr. McCotter, you noted just a minute ago that in fact Justice Harlan was the lone dissent in Plessy, correct?
That's correct, yes.
But was also a dissenter in Wong.
Right, he joined the Chief Justice.
So a threshold question here is, with respect to Wong, which is often cited as the basis now 130 years hence for these individuals being viewed as citizens by now in this instance, the most pernicious models where people are profiting for bringing people into the United States to have babies, exploit our laws, go back to their countries or exploit our laws for citizenship, that they are deemed citizens based on an interpretation of an opinion 130 years ago. Yes or no, Mr. McCotter, do you believe that Wong stands for that premise?
I do not, and I cite support for that in the brief.
You believe that it is limited to, at most, an LPR type status under today's law?
Right, here's a quote. Wong, by its facts and some of its language, is limited to children born of parents who at the time of birth were in the United States lawfully and indeed were permanent residents. That's from a professor at NYU.
Mr. Cooper, do you share that view?
I do share that view, and I would point out again that Wong itself conditioned its irresistible conclusion from the 14th Amendment. It affirms the ancient and fundamental rule of citizenship by birth within the territory in the allegiance and under the protection of the country, which was premised in that case on the parents of Wong being lawful permanent residents, allegiant to this country.
So to be clear, Mr. Cooper, you do not believe that that Wong's opinion extends, certainly at a minimum, beyond, again, what we would characterize under today's law as an LPR status individual?
No, it clearly just didn't have anything to do, as Mr. O'Brien has said, with illegal aliens or aliens here who may be here lawfully, but only temporarily.
And are you aware of any opinion by the United States Supreme Court that has extended beyond that interpretation since Wong?
No.
Mr. McCotter, do you agree with that?
I agree, yes.
Mr. O'Brien, do you agree with that?
I do.